Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKBA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But a very, very impressive bounce here on the day, especially when you factor in that at one point the price was all the way down here, and then the price was able to fight all the way up to where it did. Which, like I said, I think any rational person would say, yeah, the price definitely made a nice move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And to my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at $2 and, let's see, what is that? 42 cents. Why is $2.42 important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that level, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it was at these lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were after a very nice move, not exactly a sign of true strength. But to be fair, no pricing goes straight up. So maybe the price pulls back here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, what would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, there you go. You have stair steps still making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to show signs of progress. And in this situation, quote unquote, a sign of progress would be right there at $2.42. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, next key overarching level of resistance to watch closely moving forward, going to be right up there at that level at $2.60. So watch 260 very closely moving forward. But all in all, anyway you look at it, very impressive bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.